Best Trim Restorers revive faded plastic, restore deep color, protect against UV damage, and enhance your vehicle's overall appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best trim restorers for faded plastic that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Cerakote Trim Coat Kit is an excellent solution for bringing faded exterior plastic back to life while adding serious long-term protection. Unlike ordinary dressings that simply sit on the surface, this ceramic coating bonds directly to the trim, restoring a rich factory-like finish and helping shield against damaging UV rays that cause fading and cracking. One of its biggest advantages is durability, rated to last through 200+ washes, making it a smarter investment than products that need constant reapplication. The included pre-saturated wipes make the process quick, clean, and beginner-friendly. Simply clean and dry the trim, wear the gloves, and wipe evenly for immediate visible results. There's no greasy residue, sticky gel, or messy overspray to deal with, which makes application far more convenient than many competing products. Each kit includes 10 individually wrapped wipes, giving you enough product for multiple areas. For drivers who want professional-looking trim restoration with minimal effort, Cerakote delivers impressive results and lasting protection. Now our second product is Exoforma Black Trim Restorer. This black plastic trim restorer stands out as a professional-grade solution for reviving faded, sun-damaged vehicle trim with impressive long-lasting results. The dye-infused formula does more than create surface shine, it penetrates deeply to restore a rich factory black appearance while helping conceal scratches, oxidation, and scuff marks. It works especially well on weathered bumpers, mirror housings, door handles, window trim, and other plastic surfaces that lose color over time. One of its biggest strengths is durability, with protection lasting 6+ months under normal conditions. The weather-resistant barrier helps preserve the restored finish through rain, snow, UV exposure, and regular car washes, reducing the need for frequent touch-ups. Application is straightforward and beginner-friendly, requiring only a single coat for visible transformation, making it ideal for both DIY users and detailing professionals. Unlike temporary dressings that fade quickly, this formula focuses on deeper restoration and sustained color renewal. Made in the USA with premium ingredients, it offers dependable quality and excellent value for anyone wanting to refresh and protect their vehicle's trim with minimal effort. Our third product is Carguy's Plastic Restorer. Carguy's Plastic Restorer is a standout option for anyone frustrated with trim products that fade quickly after application. Instead of delivering only short-term shine, this formula is designed to renew, seal, and protect plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces for several months. It restores faded trim with a darker, cleaner finish that looks refreshed rather than overly glossy or artificial. One of its biggest advantages is water resistance. Many restorers streak after rain or washing, but this product is made to repel water and maintain an even appearance, helping your vehicle stay cleaner and sharper for longer. Another major benefit is the dry-to-touch finish. Unlike greasy gels that remain oily and attract dust, Carguy's dries fully, leaving surfaces clean and smooth without residue on towels or hands. It works well on both interior and exterior surfaces, making it a versatile detailing product. Manufactured in the USA with a strong focus on consistency and quality, it also comes backed by responsive customer support. For durable restoration without the mess, this product delivers excellent value. Now number 4, Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Plastic Restorer. Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Plastic Restorer delivers a premium solution for both restoring and protecting automotive trim with advanced ceramic technology. It not only revives faded exterior plastic, bringing back a rich, deep black shine, but also helps maintain the appearance of new trim by preventing future fading and UV damage. One of its standout features is durability, backed by a 50-wash guarantee, ensuring the finish won't easily wash away or break down over time. The formula is also highly versatile, allowing users to layer multiple applications to achieve a customized level of shine and depth without sacrificing protection. Unlike traditional greasy dressings, this product cures completely dry to the touch, leaving a clean, slick, and professional-looking finish that won't attract dust or feel oily. This makes it ideal for detailers who want long-lasting results without constant reapplication. Overall, Cerakote offers a balance of restoration, protection, and ease of use, making it a strong choice for maintaining a showroom-quality trim appearance. And our last choice is Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer is a trusted solution for reviving faded exterior trim and bringing back a true showroom-like finish. Designed for unpainted plastic, vinyl, and rubber, it effectively restores deep, rich color to bumpers, moldings, mirror housings, and other exterior surfaces that naturally dull over time. The formula not only enhances appearance with a dark, glossy shine but also provides strong UV protection to help prevent future fading, drying, and cracking caused by harsh sunlight and weather exposure. One of its key advantages is durability, as it resists rain and regular car washes while maintaining a clean, refreshed look for weeks. Application is simple and user-friendly. Just apply and let it dry quickly without streaks, smudges, or greasy residue, making it ideal for both beginners and enthusiasts. Its versatility allows use across multiple exterior trim areas for a uniform finish. Backed by over 125 years of Meguiar's automotive expertise, this restorer combines reliability, ease of use, and long-lasting protection for consistent, professional quality results. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.